Look at the storm. Shit, it is getting it. We are moving a lot. Wow. Tornado sirens are going off in town. I just seen people on the water trying to make it to the boat ramp fast. I've been there before, and man, they should have seen this coming a little bit. I've been getting ready. I put all my stuff up so it would wash the deck off and everything. Holy smokes. Well, hopefully everybody got off the water, but I doubt it because there's little ways from the ramp and they just started hauling butt down the river. I'm going inside the cab up. Man. Well, wish me luck.